What are you boys doing up there? Get off the roof!
Go back in the house, Lois. We're being jackass. Okay, ready?
All right, we're rolling.
I'm Peter Griffin, and this is Shopping Cart Roof Shopping Cart, guys. Okay, go.
A civil authority has issued 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties or areas. Aiken, South Carolina, at 3:12 p.m. on September 30th, 2024, effective until 11:12 p.m. Urgent message from Aiken County. At ~T customers attempting to dial 911 in the Aiken County and surrounding area are experiencing technical difficulties and are unable to make wireless calls to 911. Please find other alternative methods to communicate to 911 or call 803-642-1751.
Ow, 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 oh my God.
Oh my God, are you okay?